Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It is still gloomy, still cloudy, still cold outside. It's 41 degrees and cloudy. It's a little rainy right now. It's wet out there. We got Dark Bro First first in the chat. Dark Bro baby. We got Markel second. Markel, Dark Bro, Markel, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Frank, Dark Bro, Markel, Dark Bro, Markel, Dark Bro, Markel, Markel, Dark Bro, Markel, Dark Bro, Whitreed, Markel, Whitreed, Markel, Dark Bro, Gorilla, Markel, Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Markel, Dark Bro, Bender. What's up, everybody? Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We got to figure out where we are right here. We want this one is the one we want. Yes. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, barcoding into the end of the day there, sitting at $7.01 at the close, up 5.34% today. But nonetheless, man, barcode action into the close and still the equivalent of 70 cents. Not looking good. Shiba Inu coin losing steam in terms of volume. Shib also barcoding, but it is sitting at 816 points per coin right now, which is above the lows that we were seeing earlier, which is nice to see. GameStop. We got GameStop down at the bottom right, sitting at 12.29 right now at the close, and at 12.29 after hours as well. Guys, I extended the line on Bitcoin, but if you remember, earlier today, we put this little trend line on and said, all right, Bitcoin is moving higher here. It just broke down to the downside. Where's it going to go now? Well, it jumped right back up, and it is still using this trend line perfectly. So, Bitcoin jumping up, touching 37,700 right there, coming back down, potentially going to bounce off of this trend line once more. So, keep your eyes on it. This trend line seems to be holding up all afternoon here, and we are going for yet another reattempt of $38,000. This is insane to see Bitcoin's utter strength, despite everything going on with Binance and Kraken and everything else out there. People don't care. They're buying and they're holding Bitcoin right now, which is phenomenal to see. But Bitcoin's up 3.13% on the day today, bringing all these cryptocurrencies back into the green as we once again test that $38,000 mark right there, man. That's all you got to do is break through that to really have a shot at 40,000. Nonetheless, the NASDAQ finished the day at 0.46% higher, 14,265 points. 701 on AMC, GameStop 12.29, Dogecoin 7.6 cents, having a nice little rally right here. Ethereum sitting at $2,074, 814 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin 37,585 right now. The SPY 455, QQQ 390, Mullen Auto 17.5 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.48, Netflix $478, Highcroft Mining $1.99. MPW 454. Tesla losing ground today, falling 2.90% to close the day at $234 per share. Amazon 146, still finished about 2% higher on the day today, and Apple finished nicely 0.35% higher, above $191 per share. We are going to watch Bitcoin as it throws a big green candle on the screen right now. Bitcoin back up to $37,650 in less than a minute, shooting up $100. Bitcoin volatility is in full swing right now. Oh boy, do we test 38? Do we break 38? Do we fall at 37.7? What is Bitcoin going to do this afternoon? I guess we're going to find out, right? We're going to leave this up here just like this so we can see how that chart goes. Let's see. We got Pudgy in the chat. What's going on, Pudgy? Glad to have you, man. Pudgy Discord question. Something. Kombu gets a mustache. Kombu always gets a mustache. Yo, Dark Bro, how you been? Bender wants to know. Thanksgiving rally. Roulette wheel. Yeah, dude. If we get a Thanksgiving rally that leads us into a Santa Claus rally, that leads us into an election year rally, I'm going to be pretty excited about it. Bitcoin halving rally that leads us to an election year rally. It is going to be nothing but good news for the next year or so. And then the election is going to lead into another Thanksgiving rally, followed by a Santa Claus rally. So, yeah, dude, I hope that that's what we end up with here. But I don't know. I'm a little bit more pessimistic than being that optimistic. Dave and Ryan would be happy to see you. Me? Who? Somebody else? Binance is not crypto. Like Shibarium is elite using crypto and the community. Well, no, I know Binance is not crypto, dude. But if you look at when FTX collapsed, if you look at the collapse of things like Voyager and Celsius, it hits people hard. And it is a little crazy that the entire cryptocurrency space is just ignoring what's going on with Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. To me, that's just phenomenal that crypto's able to completely ignore that. Doing good, broski. Dave 934 always asks how you're doing. It's Dave 934, man. I don't even know who Dave 934 is. Clay, would you look at Clay? Yeah, let's look at it, old rounder. See what Clay is. I don't even know what's going on here. Ew, straight up ignored again. Never ignored, Pudgy. Never. Hey, everybody just got home. Tim. Glad you're home, man. You in Thanksgiving mode already, Tim? Clay, bro, you owe Clay. Since when do I owe Kombu a mustache? Kombu sent a mustache in the previous live stream? Really? Kombu, if you're in here, okay. I mean, I'll believe you guys. If Kombu's in here, then I will do a mustache for Kombu, but I don't see him in here yet. Let's see. We might be first in on occasion. However, Pika is always the queen. There you go, Markel. That's truth on that one. Pika's definitely a queen, but I am first. Dark Bro is claiming that first spot, man. Heck yeah. Coming all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. All right, back here. I'm here listening, Fluffy. I love it, Pika. Yes. You just ignored it. Never ignore anything. Last stream. Very end. All right. Well, shoot. Kombu, if you're in here, man, I got you. Let's check out Clay really quick. Okay. K-L-A-Y? This one. I think you're talking about this one, right? K-L-A-Y-T-N, a 6. It's a good name, man. Clayton's a good name. $669 million market cap. How long has this coin been out? All right. It's coin dropping down to lows around 10, 11 cents. Highs during the previous bull market, man. 2021 was a beautiful year, taking this all the way up to $4 per coin. Market cap corroborates that evidence right there. A $10 billion market cap during the previous bull market. That is crazy to see. Now, interestingly enough, the supply is infinity, okay? Circulating supply right now is 3.2 billion Clayton, Clay coins, Clay tokens, whatever the heck these things are. But yeah, dude, this looks like a decent, seems like it's a layer 1 blockchain, right? Seems like a decent layer 1 blockchain that hopefully is able to grow during the next bull market and hopefully surpass these levels that it had at about $4 a coin. Even if it gets back up to $1.70, it seems like it's got a lot of potential there. But I've never even heard of this coin before, so I really don't even know what they're doing. But it does seem to be listed nearly everywhere. So make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in it. A lot of potential, knowing that it bounced off those 10-cent lows right there, 11-cent lows. And that's even lower than when it was issued. No, you got some 10, 11 cents area back here, 8 cents, 6 cents, and so on. Kind of cut off by this number being posted. But yeah, man, still seems to be very low in price compared to its all-time high. A lot of potential there. Crypto Master says, let's get started. What's going on, Crypto Master? Pudgy been kicking around the idea of more immersive Formula 1 stream. Same in the cockpit view. With no HUD, only readouts are on the wheel. Make it happen, Frank. Make it happen. Pete, did you see the supporters chat? What do you say in the supporters chat, man? Oh, that's community chat that I'm in. Supporters chat. A lot going on. Oh, nice, dude. Yellow and black. That's Pikachu colors right there. Very cool, Dark Bro. Let's see. Only I have Twitch only reason I have Twitch is because of you, Frank. Only streamers I follow is because of you, Frank. Dang it, man. Frank, dude. You've reached that influencer stage. Congratulations, and keep killing it on Twitch, please. Is the market going up because people are buying the lows and missed out earlier in the month, or government buying? Well, as far as I know, I don't know about any government buying of cryptocurrency, right? My best guess would be that people are just still interested in buying crypto right now, despite all of the news. So Bitcoin reattempting this level is just a continuation of the previous gains. I don't think that it has anything to do with like government buyouts or anything. I think we're simply bouncing back and forth between 38,000 and 35,400 right here. I'm going to be interested to see whether or not we get rejected once again off of this 38,000 level. Attempted. Or are we finally going to break it? Or are we just going to come right back down to 35,400 or I don't know, somewhere about there if we do get rejected? I would imagine if it does get rejected off this level, yes, you're going to see a little bit of a pullback tomorrow. Perhaps a decent-sized purple line on the screen. But, yeah, dude, if we break, we could very quickly be up to $40,000 a coin on Bitcoin here if it breaks. We haven't seen these levels since way back here, guys. This is a daily chart, and this is May of 2022. May of 2022, you guys can see we bounced off this support, exactly where this line is, and immediately, the 38,000 line is what we're talking about, and immediately just bounced right back up to 40,000. Now, after it broke, it fell heavy from $40,000 very quickly in, man, what is this, 1 week's time? Fell from $40,000 all the way to $25,000 before bouncing slightly back up to $28,000. So this is a very strong level of resistance right here. If it does get broken, I'd say quickly we could be testing 40,000. So just keep your eyes out on that level. Right now, things are looking excellent with Bitcoin sitting at 37,765. The recent high, 37,989. It has been unable to break up through this 38,000 level, and every time that it touches it, it gets rejected and comes back down pretty hard. So you got to keep our eyes on it and see what goes on there. But dude, I'd get pretty excited pretty fast if Bitcoin ends up breaking through 38,000 right there, which is why we're of course watching it in the bottom left. Let's see, Tim. Let's look at Tezos, man. I haven't looked at that coin, dude. I don't know if I've ever looked at that coin, but let's take a look here. Nope, not what I wanted. I minimize this because I don't want that up. I do, however, want this one up. All right, where are we going? We've got XTZ or Tezos at 80 cents right now. Bouncing off the intraday lows around 77 cents. It's got a $776 million market cap. Huge market cap. Decent volume, sitting on $30 million worth of volume. Around kind of what Terra Luna Classic's doing in terms of volume. The week, definitely pulling back on the week. It's down 8%. The month still looks very nice there, up 21% on the month. The year, down 15% still. So it's been a very difficult year for Tezos. And the all-time graph with the highs back in 2021 at $7.70. We are currently sitting at 81 cents. And the good news is, right, well, this is a steep decline. But the only time we have been lower than the current levels was during this brief period in the bear market of 2018 into 2019 here. That is the only time we have seen lower levels than where we're at right now. In terms of market cap very similar to that action right there. The all-time high market cap sitting at around $7 billion, which will leave us to about 10x gains from the current prices. So, yeah, man, we have gone from $250 million market caps before to $7 billion market caps. Tezos could actually do the exact same thing during the next bull market. I hope that it would, but, as far as what they do and all of that stuff, I'm not too sure. Bitcoin comes down to 35,000, cries tears of joy into my $21,000 bag, baby. Tim, man, it's got to be feeling good right now. What is the deal with everyone talking about BlackRock taking down Binance? How so? So I did not read into that, man. I saw some people tweeting about that today. But I did not read into it, so I would just be speculating as to why they're saying that. So if you want me to speculate, I can, but I didn't read into what exactly they're saying, so I'm not sure. Are people going to leave Binance and go to Coinbase or Crypto.com? Well, Giovanni, very, very likely, okay? So $1.3 billion left Binance. I don't know where those people are going, because that's leaving Binance. I don't even know if Binance US has $1.3 billion on it, but because people don't typically care too much for Binance US. But yeah, dude, they're going somewhere. So I don't know if they're going to KuCoin, if they're going to Pionex or Crypto.com or Coinbase, but they're going, or simply MetaMask. They're going somewhere with their money because they've already withdrawn $1.3 billion from Binance. Brian Searing! Thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, can't stay long today. Darn it, Brian, it's all right, man. It's Thanksgiving week. I know people are going to be getting ready for Thanksgiving today. Just wanted to wish Clay and my fellow bros a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you all enjoy the time with family and friends and appreciate all the good things in life. God bless all of you. Absolutely, Brian. You as well, man. And if you guys are preparing to have family over tomorrow for Thanksgiving, I do hope you guys have an awesome time, man. Or if you're getting ready to go to somebody else's house for Thanksgiving, I hope it's nothing but pleasure, man. No issues, no stress, no drama, nothing like that. Just an amazing Thursday, Thanksgiving. The food is great. The family is awesome. And Brian, man, thank you very, very much for the super chat and the well wishes for Thanksgiving, man. That's awesome. Tim, dang it, could have been sitting at a Hawaii beach instead of being with us on the Clay Bro channel. Roulette wheel. But I think he'd rather be here. Dark Bro had a pile of Bitcoin back in the day. I used to buy I'm the used truck Bitcoin guy. Not quite as bad as the pizza Bitcoin guy, because I still have the truck. That's true, man. But Tim, wouldn't you rather be here hanging out with us than just, I don't know, sipping out of a coconut on a Hawaiian beach somewhere? Of course you'd rather be here with us, man. Come on now. BlackRock and other big funds own a lot of Coinbase. Yes, they do. Lucas is right on that one, man. He's right on that one. What's the deal with Litecoin? Is it no longer relevant? Don't hear much about it. Well, it's still relevant, Giovanni, right? It's still relevant. It's like Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Zcash is another one that people seem to forget. But these coins, they're not the brand new shiny coins that are out there. But they don't get left behind during bull markets. Bro, Litecoin is literally life itself. I don't trust Coinbase. I don't care if they're publicly traded. Old rounder, man. Not bad. Happy Thanksgiving, Brian. Enjoy the day. Heck yeah. Let's see. What's this BlackRock? Had a meeting with the SEC. Sounds like BS, but I don't know. Bender, I did not read into it, man. But I share your concerns as well. I really don't know why people are fleeing Binance anyway. CZ alone is worth $10.4 billion, not counting Wi-Fi. Dude, yeah. We just looked at it earlier. I don't know if I still have it up or not. They got... No, I don't have it up anymore. They got CZ's worth, man, at like $17.2 or $17.4 billion, dude. It's crazy. I got a neighbor, pies in the oven. I got neighbor pies in the oven. All four of them get an apple and a rhubarb and a cherry each. Dang it, man. Tim is like the best neighbor ever. Moji, I haven't seen John Jay since the last time. Where's John Jay at when you need him? I have a feeling CZ was also using customer funds, even though the media won't report it. Dude, if he was doing that, well, I'm kind of glad that Binance is getting ripped. Dude, if they're not going to report it, I don't know. But if he was, crypto is a really sketchy place if CZ was using customers' funds for stuff. It's just really crazy. I'd like to be doing both a beach fruity beverage and watching this. Markel, I'd like to hear it, man. Well, with us, on a beach is the best. Pika has that right. All of the bros hanging out on a beach, sipping out of a coconut. Now, let's get started. It's a $134 million truck. Dude, did Tim have $134 million worth of Bitcoin that he traded for that truck? Oh gosh, dude. Did he say what the prices were with that Bitcoin? He literally had 134 or would have had 134 million dollars worth of Bitcoin right now. Holy smokes, Tim. If that's the case, man, now I feel bad for you, dude. I'm moving over to doesn't Coinbase have cheaper fees than crypto.com? Crypto.com is super expensive with fees. Crypto.com has a much larger spread. All right, Crypto.com does have a very large spread, which translates to very large fees. Absolutely, there are a lot of cheaper places to trade cryptocurrency than Crypto.com. I'll agree with you all day long on that one. So I actually haven't used Coinbase in a very long time, so I don't know what they look like right now, but I would be willing to say that they probably do have cheaper fees than Crypto.com, simply because I know how expensive Crypto.com is. Coinbase hasn't gotten much cheaper than it was last year. Bender, it's the life I want, man. Then go after it, dude. Never stop shooting for the life you want. All the bros and broettes are always welcome in my place. Dang it, I love it, Tim. Wouldn't it be sweet if I just showed up at Tim's house one day and was like, hey Tim, man, where's that cherry pie? I would like a slice of cherry pie, please. Thanksgiving at Tim's next year. Dude, Thanksgiving at Tim's this year, man. I want some of that oyster stuffing, too. Sam Bankman-Fried was worth billions, too, but it was all on paper. Roulette wheel, 100%, man. So I actually don't know how. I don't know how CZ or Changpeng Zhao is worth $17 billion. I don't know if he holds a magic amount of BNB. I don't know if it's some ownership percentage in Binance itself. I don't even know if that accounts for his Twitter. I'm pretty sure he bought 5% of Twitter as well. So I really don't know what they're looking at when it comes to CZ's ownership and how much CZ is worth. But yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure the guy owns 5% of Twitter as well. Way back when I sold 100 Bitcoin for $750. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. I was not interested in Bitcoin at all when it would have been $7.50. So you guys got me beat on that one, and I'm kind of glad that I don't have to worry about the what-ifs and the shoulda, coulda, wouldas all the way back when Bitcoin was trading at those levels. Chris, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Chris says, just missed 420 by a minute, man. We can rewind time a little bit, but had to get it in before the long weekend. Unless Clay's here tomorrow. Hello, everyone, and happy early Thanksgiving. Chris, I am not going to be here tomorrow, but with the market being open on Friday, unless something's going on, I should be here during the morning stream on Friday. But, of course, the markets are closed tomorrow, so we're not going to be live streaming. Everybody's going to be having Thanksgiving dinner, all that good stuff. You will have videos tomorrow, so if you guys want to watch the videos tomorrow, absolutely do that. Let them play on loop, all of that good stuff. But, yeah, dude, no live streams tomorrow. Glad you got that 420 Super Chat in here today. And Chris, hopefully you're eating dinner at 420 tomorrow and not doing something else at 420 tomorrow. Enjoy your dinner with hopefully a bunch of family and friends, man. Tim says, at the all-time high, it's a $213,000 truck, but 75 Ford Highboy with a 460 and a factory 4-speed, Dana 60 a rear end, and reverse Dana 60 front. Well, I don't know what all of that stuff is, Tim, but $213,000 truck at its all-time high does seem like a pretty expensive truck, but glad that it's not a $200 million truck at its all-time high. That would be insane, man. Crap, not tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, no stream tomorrow. I will most likely be, let's put it that way. I plan on being here Friday during the morning stream, not the afternoon stream, because the market closes at 1 on Friday. Wait, why does Crow have their crypto value higher than it really is? Is that to rip people off, to charge at that price? And then when you sell, it's way less plus the fees. So that's their spread, Giovanni. That's their spread. It's not to rip people off. It's the way that they make their money. Being a market maker like that, why do they do that? I don't know the reason behind why they have such a high spread, unless it's simply to cover all of their expenses. People still use them, right? If people stopped using them because they believe their spread was too high, then they would most likely lower their spread to stay competitive with their competitors. But yeah, dude, so think about it like all of these stocks, right? If you could actually see the bid and the ask for these stocks right now, you would see that AMC is trading at $6.99. Well, you're most likely going to buy it for $7.01 or 7, and you're most likely going to be able to sell it for $6.98. Okay? So maybe it's 1 cent on either side of the actual market price. The spread might be 1 or 2 cents. And then, of course, that's the same deal for what Crypto.com is doing with all of their cryptocurrencies. They take the market price, $37,800 Bitcoin. They're going to be charging you $38,000 to buy it, and they're going to allow you to sell it for $37,600. So that $400 spread there is so that they can guarantee themselves a market. They'll gladly buy it off of you all day long, dude, for $36,600, and then let you sell it, or they'll buy it back off of you all day. Yeah, so they'll buy it back off you all day long for $37,600, and they'll let you sell it to them. No, they'll let you buy it off of them. Sorry, all day long for $38,000. I would too, and you can't see it, but I would too. Quick poll: should Claybro take tomorrow off? Oh, I will be taking the live stream off tomorrow, but I won't be taking videos off tomorrow. I couldn't do it, man. I've posted videos every single day for 3 years. There's no way that I would take the day off from posting videos, man. Even if the videos got 1 view, there's no way I'd be able to do it at this point. I'm stuck now. I should have owned Bitcoin at the beginning because I don't sell anything. Roulette wheel, if that was the case, man, I'm going to give you a little bit of a words of wisdom. Buy some of these new layer 1 blockchains that are coming out. If you don't sell them, man, 10 years from now, they might be sitting at $100 billion valuations. You might have 200, 300 extra money. And if you truly don't sell it, you don't have to go out there and buy $50,000 worth of it and really want that money back. But dude, if you 200, 300x on $1,000, on $500, you're talking about $100,000, $200,000, man. So yeah, take a look at some of these new blockchains that are coming out, some of the new technology, and maybe diversify a couple $100 into each one of them there. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's see what Frank's got to say, guys. Coming in December, new Twitch Formula 1 2023 stream featuring new team and race colors in my team career mode. Be prepared to light fires and kick tires. Very nice. Frank, guys, if you don't follow Frank on Twitch, make sure to do so. Frank, you got me excited about it, man, and I don't even care about racing at all. So that sounds pretty sweet, Frank. If you guys want to check him out, support Frank, please do so. It does sound pretty sweet. New Twitch F1 2023 stream featuring new team and race colors in my team career mode. Heck yeah, man. Make it happen. Frank, very nice, dude. Crypto.com got to roll that spread because Tim has been knocking the ever-living crap out of their ups and downs. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. Tim, now do you normally go, or does it, you got a different strategy. Do you normally leave yourself kind of 200 on each side? Do you go with a 1 and 4 and keep it tight? What are you looking like when you normally do some of those trades there? Pika says, too late. 2023 is already the best year ever. No backsies, baby. We will have no takesies, backsies ever on 2023 being the best year ever. Pika's right on that one, man. Do people feel like Robinhood? Do people like Robinhood because of the free trades? No fees, right? Unless you have major money. Am I wrong? No, you're not wrong, Giovanni. So Robinhood, Webull, that's basically the game now. Free trades, okay? It was only 10, 15 years ago, man, that people were paying $9.95 for online trades on both their buys and their sells. So it cut a lot of people out of the game, dude. If you weren't going out there and buying at least $1,000 per trade, per transaction, if you were looking at $100 purchase, okay, not all of a sudden you have to increase 10% to break even, and then an additional 10% to break even again, man. Think about that. You had to sit on 20% gains before you broke even if you were working with $100 trades. It kept a lot of people out of the retail game, because that's like some of these meme coins with 20% transaction fees and taxes. Dude, when you see a meme coin that's got a 20% transaction tax on it, a lot of people avoid that. The same was true for trading stocks. If you could only afford to do $100 a trade, you're looking at 20% gains before you break even. At least if you could do 1,000% or $1,000 trade, you only needed to move up 2% really before you would break even. So, yeah, dude, unless you had a lot of money, Robinhood literally changed the game for a lot of people. What's Twitch? I'm old, don't harsh me. Nah, it's just you remember Twitch, man. I streamed a couple times on Twitch. So Twitch is just another streaming service that you can use out there. We've been cleaning around here and putting up the Christmas tree, and all the decorations finally finished. Now I look at my phone and the market is going back up. What is going on? Just pure, utter crypto strength. I don't think that this is being driven by any news. I don't think that this is, because of Binance settling or anything like that. I think that we are just continuing on in this little channel that we've been in with our reattempt now at this 38,000 level of resistance. So Bitcoin testing 38 obviously fell back 2 weeks ago. Bitcoin testing 38 fell back. Bitcoin testing it a couple days ago, fell down hard yesterday, and today Bitcoin retesting that 38,000. If it breaks it, we could very, very quickly rip to $40,000. If it gets rejected, we could be right back on our way down to $35,000. So please be aware that this level of resistance is coming in quick here, and this ascending trend line that we've had on the day may hold up throughout this evening until we really do test 38,000. Of course, if this ascending trend line gets broken, we could be on our way back down very quickly, knowing that we've already tested 37,900 again. So interesting price action to say the least, but we're going to have to see how it plays out. But utter strength, man. Where are we going? I'm kind of straddling. I'll take a long shot and play safe on each side. Just got to pay attention. Very nice, Tim. And I'm glad that it's working out for you, man. I'm glad you're killing it. For now, all I can afford is a game station. Well, dude, whatever you can afford, man. I say go with it. Crow wants people to hodl instead of trade. And by charging those high fees, they probably are committing people to the hold there. They also, if you are staking your Crow, or if you hold your Crow on their platform and you've got their Crypto.com card and all of that, that also incentivizes you to hold on their platform. So 2022 was a good year. 2023 has been a great year. I'm going to kill it in 2024, and I'm dining with Elon in 2025. 2026 is the year of the bro. 2026 could be the year of the bro island, man. Just looking at the previous bull and bear market cycles, Kenneth could be right about something like that, because let's just assume that the exact cycle that's happened the previous 3 times happens again. November into December of 2025, we are going to peak out. And if that's the case, man, and everything's sitting up 10, 20, 30x from where it is right now, the end of 2025 will lead into a bear market starting in 2026. And end of 2026 is when you're most likely going to bottom, and you'll be able to accumulate once more for a bull market that could take place in 2030, 2031, sometime around then. I'd have to look at the graph and figure it out there. But yeah, Kenneth could absolutely be on it there. Ad time. Hey, you guys gotta thank Frank for the ad that you're about to get hit with right here. Skip the second one if you so please, and thank. Did you get an ad? I clicked ad, but it didn't say ad inserted. Did you get it? Did it work? It didn't say ad inserted anywhere. Huh. One ad. Thunder got one. All right, well, maybe it worked. It didn't say. I'll just let it go then. If it worked, it didn't say ad inserted anywhere that time. Hey, listen to the morning live. The fantasy football trophy should be traveling like Stanley Cup. Put your name on it. Goes to the next champion. Just my favorite. It would be pretty sweet, Tim. I don't know. Obviously, it's very expensive to ship it out, so I don't know if everybody would be on board with that. But yeah, dude, it is a sick trophy, man. If you saw did you see the trophy at all? It would be a sick trophy, man. It's very nice. Watch the first ad, skip the second ad after 6 seconds, guys and gals. Suzuki knows what to do. That's why I would move it out of Crow and put it on Coinbase or a private wallet. Yeah, roulette wheel. Private wallets are always going to be a little bit safer. Clearly, you know, if you want the convenience of owning it on a cryptocurrency exchange, you've got the opportunity for that. But private wallets are always going to be a little bit safer than what you're going to have with any other cryptocurrency exchange. 38,000 Bitcoin incoming. LFG Chaka crypto, man. Is it? Oh my gosh. Let me ask you this, okay? Is it because I really don't care too much if we just tap 38,000. I want to know if it's going to break 38,000 or once again get rejected. So, you know, knowing that we've touched 37,980 or something like that within the last couple of weeks, I really don't care if we touch 38 and then get rejected. Like, that part won't make me too excited. Dude, if we break 38, I say you're going 40 relatively quick. We might even hit 40 before the evening's over with if we break 38 here. But, dude, I mean, you got to look at the chart here. Rejected once, twice, thrice, 4, potentially 5 times. Okay? This would be the 5th rejection off 38 if it doesn't break it through. If it does break through, man, dude. But watch this line, though, okay? It's following this line pretty nice here. So if it comes down below this line, you know, that might have been our rejection at 38,879. If it continues higher, obviously you're going to be looking pretty good there. But yeah, dude, volatility is picking up. And the upward momentum is still intact at the moment. I'm getting as the first ad, that scam ad with Vitalik Buterin is selling me XRP. Wow. They're running a scam ad on your YouTube page? YouTube's allowing that? Clear, have a look at Coney on the daily. And I have not seen Coinbase today, but let's take a look at Coney. Coming right back down to this trend line, guys. Keep an eye on it. If this gets broken, that was most likely the rejection. Let's see what Coney looks like. Boo! Dude, that is a strong graph. $1.20. These dividends look phenomenal. Up 50%. Okay, so up 50% since mid-August. Let's see where Coinbase is. I think it's going to be a larger than 50% gain. Ooh, actually, no. Since mid-August, man, $73 here. It's not up $50 right there, or 50% right there. So, yeah, dude, Coney actually might be doing better than Coinbase, but still some phenomenal graphical action over the last 3 weeks, going from $70 to $109. And I don't know if this is because these last couple of days here might be because of Binance. If Binance is less of a competition for Coinbase, Coinbase is going to be doing better. So the 3% gain that you saw today, the gain that you saw yesterday wasn't a daily gain. Yesterday was higher than the open, but lower than the previous close. But yeah, dude, the close here at $106, close here at $105. Coinbase looking very strong over the last 3 weeks. And be careful, okay? Be careful with Bitcoin right now. It doesn't necessarily mean that it broke this line, but it very well could be breaking this line right now. And the ascending trend led to a rejection off of 38,000 once more. So please just be aware. Obviously, I could take this line and we can move it slightly lower to incorporate the downside right here, and we're still above it. But that's not what I had earlier, so we'll just leave it at what I had. This could be a rejection or a rejection off 38, and this could be a breakdown. So I just want to warn everybody in case you guys are buying Bitcoin or trading anything short term. But on the Vitalik AI ad selling me XRP. We talking about stuff I get Omar Grant Cardone ad. Yeah, dude, I don't know how I feel about Grant Cardone. I don't necessarily like that guy. I have a two-factor authentication, and I don't pay for that. It's Google Authenticator. Yeah, you don't have to pay for Google Authenticator. I have multiple exchanges. It won't let me transfer it without two-factor authentication. Giovanni, I know I missed something, guys. I know I missed some. YouTube Shorts are still pumping the $6,400 government relief credit from an unverified LLC out of... Oh, my gosh, dude. Dude, I don't know why YouTube and TikTok pump some of the shorts that they do, but I'm telling you, man, some of the most mindless, stupid content gets hundreds of millions of views. And I know it's to make us dumber. I know it's to, when we watch stupid things, we internalize it. We get a little dumber, man. So I really do believe they're trying to brainwash people. And pumping stupid content kind of makes the viewer a little bit dumber. So Coinbase won. There is monthly subscription for $29.99 a month, which works out at $360 a year. And if you trade and move crypto around a lot, it's a lifesaver for fees and such. Sounds like it could be, Dark Bro. I've never used it. That's weird, Giovanni. I guess the listing of CAS never happened on Binance, or was only listed on the non-US counterpart. Suzuki. Well, let's take a look and see if it was listed there, but I would imagine it was only listed on the non-US counterpart. The U.S. listings are never as good. Too many regulations, man. Let's see. All right, so I don't know if Binance delisted it or not, but it doesn't show up as being listed on Binance anywhere on here, so I actually don't know the answer to that. But Cashapp is still sitting at 13 cents, man. Just think about that. Like 2 weeks ago, we were sitting at 4.5 cents, and here we are. 4 weeks ago, we were sitting here at 4.5 cents, and here we are at 13 cents on Cashapp, man. This all-time graph is phenomenal over the last year. 705x gains. Dude, could you imagine dropping $1,000 on Cashapp a year ago, and you're sitting on 700? Dude, I want to ask you guys this, so we still got some time. If you bought Cashapp, let's just hypothetically say you dropped 1,000 on it, and let's say that you just opened it today. Okay, you definitely held through, and you know where it's at right now. Let's say that you were sitting on 705,000. Okay, do you sell that immediately? Or are you trying to hold out for $1 million? I want to know what you guys are doing. Are you holding for $1 million? Or are you selling immediately at 705? Negative. Good afternoon and happy Thanksgiving to you as well, man. There will be no live stream tomorrow, guys. So tell everybody that you want to tell happy Thanksgiving. Tell it to them today, because we're not going to be live streaming tomorrow. You can tell it to them in the comments on the videos tomorrow, but that's about it. Let's see, Binance was the reason Shib had a meteoric rise. Once it got listed on Binance, it pumped like crazy. Binance is the reason for a lot of meteoric increases in price, man. Binance is a game changer for sure. I think I'm just going to sit on TikTok Live, no words and nothing, and see if I can make $100 since people like rotting their brain. Dark Bro, hold a little sign that says, I'll talk when you guys send a TikTok universe or whatever, and someone will probably send it, man. Someone will probably send it to you. I used to be able to move crypto from Crow to wherever. Now I need two-factor authentication. Okay, now I understand what you guys are talking about. Yeah, dude, you could download the Google Authenticator. It does the same thing for me, Giovanni. It does the same thing for me. Yeah, Coinbase has gotten better with the fees. I have Coinbase One, so it's worth it because of the Ethereum coins I have in my wallet. I can transfer directly to Coinbase and sell no fuss. Very nice, Dark Bro. 35,000 Caspa. at 5 cents. Richard, man, congratulations. If you've been sitting on Cashapp over the last couple of weeks, you're doing incredible, man. Coinbase is very simple to use, but I hold most of my crypto on Trust Wallet. Nice. Nick, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, right? Why not, bro? Me or somebody else? Oh, market's closed. Crypto Master, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, if that's what you're talking about. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so the stock markets are going to be closed, so we will not be doing a live stream tomorrow. Going to be having everybody over for Thanksgiving, so I'll have videos, but won't be live tomorrow. Learn my lesson from the last time. So I will be selling at 705,000. Suzuki, at least somebody paid attention. At least somebody paid attention and actually answered my question. Thank you. Yeah, dude, 700. And you know what? I don't think just the status of going from 705 to 1 million would change anything at all. But I can assure you that if you woke up the next morning to a 60% decline, you would be kicking yourself for losing $400,000 overnight. Yeah, that would be a tough loss there. If it dropped back from 13 cents down to 7 cents overnight, ooh. Yeah, it would be. That'd be tough to swallow, man. That'd be tough to swallow. And then Celestia. Somebody said Celestia's back up above 6. Celestia is back up above 6, man. Look at this. $6.03, up 8 cents on or 8%, sorry, on the day there. Getting ready. Could be getting ready to retest $7 a coin. Currently sitting on an $879 million market cap. Looking very, very good right there. Dude, crypto's having a very strong day. Let's put it that way. And coming back up. Bitcoin might be coming back up right now to get right back up above this ascending trend line. So keep an eye on it. It broke down, but it did not continue down. It's still floating around this trend line, and it could potentially be coming back up to retest that 38,000 once more right now. We're going to watch it play out. That's exactly what we're going to do. You can also use Authy for two-factor authentication. All right, there's another one that you could use if you need it. Still enough to get the heck out of here. Mark L. Yeah, dude, I feel like a lot of people would be selling. Is there anybody that would guarantee hold? This dude says losing $400,000 and never been divorced. Oh, God damn, man. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, you know, when a lot of people look at life differently, right? And when you hear that... Tim, I'm not going to pick on you or anything, right? But when you hear that people can go through literally, like that's being drugged through the mud, no doubt, dude. If you can do that and you can be fine and move on, people can literally accomplish anything, man. You can make it through the toughest of times. If you just persevere, you'll be fine. So, Tim, man, if that's the case, dude, I'm very sorry that happened, man. But I'm glad you're here, dude, because that would set a lot of people back very, very far. Live is cool. Crypto Master, I do love the lives, man. Well, fellas, gotta go. Wivey's home from work. Happy Turkey Day to all of you. Suzuki, man, enjoy your evening. Enjoy your time with family tomorrow. And hopefully everything tastes delicious, whether you guys are hosting or you're going somewhere else. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, man. Crypto won't be closed. Giovanni, if we went with crypto, we would be live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, man. Although I do videos 7 days a week, 365 days a year, I will say that the lives are a little bit more... Not like the lives take a little bit more, right? Because recording the video, there's no interaction. The lives are definitely a little bit more energy than the videos require. So it would be draining to be live 7 days a week with no holidays at all. I think that would be pretty hard. Click. Can TIA get to Ethereum price? Ethereum's price? I don't know if it's going to get to Ethereum's price. So let's just see what we've got. Yeah, I don't know about Ethereum's price. Let's see where we're at, man. Let's say the total supply. We still don't have very much in circulation. You got to remember that, okay? There's not much in circulation. So let's go with what we got in circulation, because I don't know how long it's going to take to get all of these coins out there. If you got 145 million coins, Ethereum's price right now is $2,000. 145, oh, $2,000, yeah, times the 145 million coins. Well, dude, it takes you to a $290 billion market cap. $250 billion. So right there. Let's put it this way. Depending on how long or how fast it would take to get there, yes, it is possible to reach Ethereum's price for Celestia. It's not going to be easy, right? Ethereum is the second largest coin in the world, man. It's got a $290 billion market cap, and no other coins are attempting a $290 billion market cap. So when you're asking if it can get there, you're not asking if I think it'll get there. That's a different story. So yes, I will say that it can touch a $290 billion market cap. Will it? I mean, if it issues all the coins, you're talking about a $2 trillion market cap if all billion coins are out there. I don't think it's going to touch a $2 billion market cap. Or $2 trillion market cap, sorry. But the 290 billion, obviously I got coins that are there. So I can't say that it's going to be impossible for Celestia to get there. But, dude, it would be the same price. We've got very similar outstanding or circulating supplies right now. So it's a possibility, man, that Celestia would touch those prices. But not a probability, right? Mark, that was the first farm. The second one took me for a farm and half my machine welding shop. Yeah, there's a sham anymore. Oh my god, dude. What? Tim, I'm not even like, who the heck cares what she did with it, right? I'm not gonna bring that stuff up, make you dwell on the past and all that. Shared groups in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Mexico, Germany. Total members 84,000. This is why I like this Patrick guy, man. All he does is share. Patrick, thank you very much for sharing the live stream with literally the entire world, man. So if I made $1 million on Crypto.com, it will take like 300,000, right? That's a lot. I don't think they're going to take that much, dude. I don't think they're going to take that much. So if you make that on Crypto.com, their spread's not 30%. Their spread might be like 3%. They might have a 2-3% spread or something like that. But it's not going to be 300,000. They don't have a 30% spread. They might take, honestly, man, they might take 30,000. So if it's showing you, like if you held it all the way there, you might have to, and I can't say take it, right? But you might go to sell it, and what you could actually sell it for is going to be slightly less than the market value because of the spread, yes. So you might actually be better sending it off the platform and trying to sell it somewhere else. But yeah, dude, their spread might be the equivalent of $30,000. I don't know what their total spread is. We're just assuming that it's 3% in this example. Yeah, dude, you know, it might show you, okay, if Bitcoin reaches 100 grand, I'm going to be sitting on $1 million. Well, you go to sell it, and then because of the spread, you walk away with $970,000, because what they're willing to give you, their ask price is a little bit lower. Changed it now, Michael. I had to pull it up. Something changed. What did we change? I don't even know what we changed right there. Emoji, something, maybe long-term capital gains is 20%. Yeah, so you're still paying taxes if you make that $1 million there. Lives are awesome. Let's go. 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Crypto master. I would do it if there was an end in sight. If there was no end in sight, I don't know. I really don't know if I could pull through. Sucks, right? Only good news this time is I don't have anything to lose. I like it, Mark L. A guy with nothing to lose is a dangerous man. Just for that, Peak, I'm going to take your lunch money this week. Peak is going to take your lunch money, or Moji's going to take your lunch money. Hey, what's up, Clay? How's your day going? I'm late to the live, so going to rewatch it. Nelson channel, rewatch it if you want to, man. Appreciate you being in here, though. Michael Allen. Clay Bro and the whole bro fam, have a happy Thanksgiving. Live, love, and be happy. Take a moment to reflect and be thankful for all you have. There is always someone with less. Gorilla Invictus is right on that one, guys. We are blessed to be able to share Thanksgiving with family, friends. I have turkey on the table and everything else that goes on the table. So Gorilla Invictus is definitely right on that, man. And you know what? Take the day tomorrow. You're going to have a bunch of family over. You might have some friends over. Make somebody smile, man. Tell them they look good. Tell them they smell good. Don't tell them they... Never mind on that last one. But yes, make sure that you make somebody smile tomorrow. Gorilla Bro, same to you. Absolutely. If someone sends me $100,000 really quick, I'll show you how to retire off of it next week. Boom. All you got to do is send it to Frank, man. Frank, the sad thing is you could probably scam 1,000 people to send you $100 each. You could probably do that relatively fast, man. And there's your $100,000. I see so many people, man, falling victim. If you reached out, let's say you reached out to 100,000 people to send you $100 a piece, I bet 1,000 of them do it. I bet 1% of the people would fall victim to that. All you'd have to do is run some ads, and they would fall victim to it, man. That's how crazy things are. Do you have to pay taxes if you transfer it to another crypto, or is it only when you cash it out? Giovanni, let me put it this way, all right? I'm not a tax professional, but the rules that they want you to follow are that if you transfer it at all, if you swap Ethereum for Shib, that is your transaction. That is a taxable transaction, according to the IRS. So, you know, if your accountant, if you can assume otherwise or whatever, great. I'm not giving anybody any sort of tax advice or anything like that, but any transaction, man, if you simply swap it from one crypto to another, that is a taxable transaction. I will say this, though. Personally, I believe that is complete and utter nonsense. Right? If you're out there and you're not dealing with their fiat crypto at all, if you're playing Frank's Formula 1 video game and Frank has enough points in his video game to buy a new motor for his car, and all of a sudden he goes out there and he buys a new motor, wins the race, and he walks away with, you know, $300,000 in virtual money to buy a new fender for his car, to me, that's no different than them taxing Frank on his video game money. Until it hits like real world dollar value, I mean, I'd be on the side of get the heck out of my pocket. But dude, they are not that way, man. They're not that way. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says one last King Turkey for the holiday. Have a great day, everybody. Moji, man, you as well. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. If you guys were not in here earlier, I will not be live streaming tomorrow, but I can already tell you that the views today, people are taking the day off. The views today are very low. I would appreciate it if everybody went out there and, you know, let one of your tablets on play or on loop all day this evening, all day tomorrow. You know, it kind of sucks when you make a video like that and you see that nobody's watching it. And I get it. People are getting ready for Thanksgiving and all that stuff. But it's hard to see when it's got much, much lower views than you normally see out there. So, yes, please don't forget to watch the videos tomorrow. It was actually serious, Clay, bro. I could literally retire the... No, hey, Frank, I completely believe you, dude. If what you're doing right now is generating you $600 a month in dividend income, I know for a fact that you could retire off of $100,000 because you would be roughly... I mean, I know I'm estimating lower, but, you know, like 8 to 10 times higher, you could easily be doing it on $100,000 right there. Timmy, thank you very much for the member chat. And Tim, I swear the Nelson channel just got one yesterday. No, who was it that grabbed one yesterday? Tim, dude, thank you very much for the green name. Absolutely appreciate it. Nelson channel grabbing that green name. Kombu, Kombu, I see you. Thank you very much for the mustache. Kombu, I see you. Thank you. Kombu, thank you very much. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Kombu. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the mustache. I didn't see it earlier, but I believe it, man. Tim, shout out to you. Nelson channel, shout out to you, man. Thank you guys all. And I know that we're going to have an amazing Thanksgiving tomorrow. So, guys, make sure to tell all of your family and friends to pull their phones out. And make sure all of your family and friends subscribe to the channel. And make sure you tell all of your family and friends that you want some brand new bro merch for Christmas, because they're going to be asking what you want for Christmas. They're going to get ready to go Black Friday shopping and all of that. So make sure to let them know that they can click the link in the description below, go out there and grab your brand new favorite hoodie. I'm telling you, you guys are going to like that hoodie. Pika Power! Pika saying happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, fam. Last one was really good, man. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh. Pika, Tim, Moji, man. Frank earlier, Chris earlier, Brian Searing earlier. You guys are absolutely incredible, man. Let's do these shout outs. Tell everybody happy Thanksgiving. We're going to come back we're going to have videos, like I said. And then we'll be back live streaming Friday morning since the market's open right there. Unless, of course, something crazy happens. But absolutely plan on doing it. Make sure to put these guys on your Christmas list, all that good stuff. And we got a shout out to Nelson channel, man. Nelson, what's going on? Gorilla Invictus, Kombu, Bender, Pika Power. Thank you very much, Pika. Giovanni, see you later, man. J Bones, baby. Enjoy your evening and happy Thanksgiving. Dark Bro, happy Thanksgiving to you, man. Whit Reed, see you later. Happy Thanksgiving. Giovanni, Pudgy, Bender, Pika, Moji, Old Rounder, Frank, Gorilla, Mark, all of you guys, Crypto Master, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me, Kombu Next Level. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy, thank you very much. Tim says, we got a big old king turkey. For the Clay Bro fam. Tim, dude, hopefully your dogs are listening right now and they're getting in the Thanksgiving mood after that one, man. Appreciate it, Tim. We got shout outs all around, man. Crypto Master, Kombu, Next Level, Crypto Master, Giovanni, Pika Power, No Igno, Fluffy Wuffy, Never Igno, Fluffy Wuffy, man. Never Igno, Fluffy Wuffy. Tim, thank you very much. Bender, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.